bully beef seasoned rice, guys. If you're interested in this one, let's make this one together. First thing, let me go in with some olive oil, not too much. Once that heat, we're going with some butter. And this is chicken margarine, by the way. I'll make that down. Now I'm going to go in with scallion, thyme, onion, hot pepper. So I know I'm showing off over corned beef over and over again. We're gonna do it again until everybody get it on this page, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the key. So take off the key off of the can completely, right? You flip the key upside down, and then you're gonna put it on back. See that? And then you're gonna close it. Then you're gonna turn the key. Snap, and then you just gotta keep turning and turning all the way around. Easy though, easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, there you have it. How to open a can of corned beef, just like that. All right, now we're gonna take it out of the can. Normally just go and just pull it out. Oops, really? Oh well, you wanna shame me? All right, we can do this. All right. Yeah, I'm used to the corned beef shame me. And that's it. All right, so once I get translucent, we are going with the tomato. And I'm also gonna add some corn. I'm going with some corned beef. I'll just start with some black pepper. Alright, just combine this. My aim is not to break it apart too much, because I want to kind of stay chunky. I'll go in with the rice. I got add a handful spinach. put some cabbage in there. Alright, and then we are going with some chicken stock. Going back, add the cabbage. At this point, I can't beef and vegetable rice. Not too much, just a little. Tip a little more of this over it. Alright. Just level up the pot. Alright, I could go see where I'm going with the rice. And guys, if you have made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and do remember, I have a recipe book that is filled with traditional Jamaican recipes. It's gonna either linked in my bio or you'll find it down in the description. And I will definitely see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.